Okay, welcome back. We're going to talk real quick about plans for Academy, and then do a little bit of AMA, followed by a Postgres integration demo, right? So to start, if you guys, if everyone has used Academy, it was very early on. It was actually called out as one of the milestones that we declared way back. We delivered it on time, and it was particularly effective to show how smooth an application can be on blockchain.
Literally, it was one of the first times where you can actually just open up the console on the browser, and you can just see every single action getting pulled and getting the state changes getting written on it. I thought it was one of the first use cases I remember early on just talking to anyone about to show just how real it is. So,
right, and because it tracked, it actually tracked the position that you left off in a course on the blockchain. I mean, it wasn't there wasn't even a database involved. It was pure native blockchain, which was really interesting for that early, especially the team. It was Eric and Chris and a few others on the team that's out east that really delivered that an amazing product. And so the plan for it, because right now we leveraged a proprietary course creation platform that delivers us the courses that then get hosted on the Academy. And the goal is to replace that, or the beauty is we implemented to a standard. So the I guess present standard out there, the most advanced, and I think it's tin can. I can't remember what the real name for it. That's what they call it. Because we implemented to that standard, it means that we can keep support for that proprietary course creation software, but at the same time build some software where anybody in the world can build a course, and it'll be text-based. It'll be markdown based, so you can style it a little bit, and we'll have some custom markup so that you can put quizzes in and things like that. And the reason we want to do that is we want to take what we have right now, where we have the Dragonchain Academy, and shrink that down and make it a storefront for Dragonchain, and then let any other project or a person create their own courses, have their own storefront, and make it a much bigger ecosystem where anybody can create courseware for things that they know about. And it'll be tokenized, so there will be mining involved. So if you are creating courses or you are taking courses, you will actually mine tokens, and all of that is to be released. We have the white paper set up, and we're still testing some of the economic pieces, but it's really well put together for a plan. There's some really interesting stuff, and we do think it'll be pretty valuable because, in particular, the certificates that are issued are on chain. Everything that backs the certificate up is on chain. So there's a lot of really neat stuff. So that's where Academy's heading, and we kind of we're in the middle. We have to do some updates on the existing Academy platform, and soon thereafter, we think that our rollout of the partnership that we're working on with Dragonchain will be really well meshed with Academy. That the same team that is in Europe will probably, we hope, we'll either have some component of Academy or might take it on wholly as well. So
it is a learning process. I mean, it's not your classic product roadmap, but it's a learning roadmap where we definitely have goals set in terms of for all the projects that we're approaching on, and as we learn, we pivot and make sure that we're using the resources that we have most efficiently to deliver some awesome products. So there's definitely some learning objectives that we have lined up for these projects, and they're evolving pretty cool in terms of that. So
okay, so